Field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad play a crucial role in various construction and development projects. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data on the ground to assist in the design and planning process. The expertise of field surveyors is essential in ensuring accurate measurements and assessments of the land, which are vital for the success of any project. The field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad are equipped with modern tools and technologies to carry out their tasks efficiently. They use instruments such as total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners to measure distances, elevations, and angles accurately. With their knowledge and expertise, they are able to create detailed maps and plans that serve as the foundation for the design and construction process. One of the key responsibilities of field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is to accurately map out the boundaries and contours of the land. This information is crucial for determining property lines, calculating areas, and identifying any potential obstacles or challenges that may affect the construction process. By conducting detailed surveys, field surveyors ensure that developers and architects have access to accurate data that can guide their design decisions. Field surveyors also play a vital role in conducting topographic surveys. These surveys involve mapping out the natural and man-made features of the land, including hills, rivers, roads, and buildings. This information is essential for determining the feasibility of a project and identifying any potential risks or constraints that need to be addressed during the design phase. Field surveyors use their expertise to analyze the topographic data collected and provide recommendations for design modifications or adjustments based on their findings. In addition to their technical skills, field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad also possess excellent communication and teamwork abilities. Field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, are essential to many development and construction projects. To aid in the design and planning process, these experts are in charge of conducting surveys and gathering data locally. For accurate measures and assessments of the land, which are crucial for the success of any project, field surveyors' competence is a must. To complete their work effectively, the field surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, are provided with cutting-edge equipment and technologies. To measure distances, elevations, and angles precisely, they employ tools like total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners. They are able to produce thorough maps and plans that serve as the framework for the design and construction process, thanks to their knowledge and expertise. Accurately mapping the boundaries and contours of the property in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, is one of the main duties of field surveyors. This data is necessary for calculating areas, setting property borders, and identifying any potential difficulties that can hinder the construction process. Field surveyors guarantee that developers and architects have access to correct data that can inform their design decisions by conducting thorough surveys. Topographic surveys are also